In this video, we will review the process for enabling FIDO U2F authentication to the Amazon Web Services console, as well as FIDO2 Passwordless authentication using AWS Cognito for services hosted by Amazon. To enable multi-factor authentication to the AWS Administrative Console, begin by selecting or searching for IAM. Next, select the user or user group for which you would like to enforce this policy. Click the tab labeled Security Credentials, then click Assign MFA Device. Provide an MFA device name, then under Device Options, ensure that passkey or security key is selected, then click Next. Follow the prompts to ensure that your passkey is saved to your security key. When prompted, continue setup by creating a new PIN for the security key. Finally, touch your security key to complete registration. Your iShield security key will now be displayed as a multi-factor authentication option to the AWS console. To experience this new FIDO U2F multi-factor authentication experience, return to the console login form and provide your IAM username and password. When prompted, select the security key option and continue to follow the prompts, touching the sensor on your iShield key. Next, we will enable FIDO2 Passwordless authentication for users via AWS Cognito. Select or search for the Cognito feature in your AWS console. Click the Get Started for Free button. In this example, we will be creating a single-page app. Provide a name for your application. Under the options, select email and username as unique identifiers. Optionally, supply a redirect URL for your application. Return to the Amazon Cognito main menu, then select User Pools and click on the user pool that we created in the previous step. Under User Management, select Users and note that users are not provisioned ahead of time for this application, as users are able to self-enroll. Now, under the Authentication section of the main menu, select Authentication Methods. Under the Passkey section, click the Edit button. Under User Verification, the preferred option is recommended. Next, select the type of domain for your environment. From the Authentication section of the main menu, select the Sign In option. Under Multi-Factor Authentication, click the Edit button, select the optional MFA radio button, and choose Authenticator Apps, which can be used as a backup method. Then for options for choice-based sign-in, click the Edit button. Under the choices, select the passkey options and save your changes. We're now ready to see this in action. Under Applications on the main menu, select App Clients, then select the application that we created previously in this video. Then click the button to view Login page. On the login form, click Create an Account. Complete the form with your username, email address, and password. Next, you must confirm your email address by providing the code that was sent to your inbox. Once confirmed, you're prompted to add a passkey. Insert your iShield security key and follow the prompts on the screen. Then you are prompted to either create or provide the security PIN for your device. Finally, touch your iShield security key. Now that your security key is successfully registered, let's see the login process. We can experience a FIDO2 passwordless authentication to this app. Once again, from your app client, click View Login page. Enter your username, then click Next. The login process will automatically default to the passkey option. Simply click Continue and follow the prompts, selecting your security key and providing your PIN. Then, as always, touch the sensor on your security key to complete the login process. That concludes this video tutorial. Swissbit looks forward to supporting you on your passwordless journey.